I could be a little disappointed when I go to a bar and order blue cheese dressing, and it's probably just ranch with a couple little pieces of blue cheese in it. This is the best part. This is what you're paying for. So we're making it for ourselves today. I'm going to be very liberal with our blue cheese crumbles. Now we'll start with a mayonnaise base. To give it a little bit of flow, we'll throw in some buttermilk. This is probably going to be about 2-to-1 mayonnaise to buttermilk. We'll just go a little nuts with our blue cheese. This is the best part. This is what you're paying for. And that's really it, you know? You don't have to get too complicated and fancy with it. It's everything you need to accompany some buffalo wings. The buttermilk just thins the mayonnaise out a little bit. Oh, here. These are the ones that really need to be in the fridge. My favorite accompaniment for buffalo wings, blue cheese dressing.